Have you ever met someone whose mental strength is so intense, it's almost intimidating? They're calm under pressure, relentlessly focused, and seem to bend reality to their will. This isn't magic. It's a level of mental fortitude that anyone can build. Today, we're diving into how you can forge a mind so powerful, so unbreakable, that it commands respect and even a little bit of fear. First, let's talk about discipline. True mental power isn't about being emotionless. It's about being the master of your emotions, not their slave. It's the discipline to wake up early when you'd rather sleep in, to push through that last rep when your muscles are screaming, to say no to instant gratification for a long-term goal. This is where mental fortitude is born, in the small, daily battles you win against your own comfort. Every time you choose the hard right over the easy wrong, you add another layer of armor to your mind. People notice this consistency. They see someone who can't be swayed by fleeting desires or temporary setbacks, and that level of self-control is incredibly powerful. So, how do you cultivate this unbreakable will? It starts with embracing discomfort. Actively seek out challenges. Take a cold shower. Learn a difficult skill. Have that tough conversation you've been avoiding. Your mind is like a muscle. It only grows when it's pushed beyond its current limits. Stop running from hardship and start seeing it as a training ground. Also, control your information diet. Unfollow negativity. Stop endlessly scrolling. Feed your mind with knowledge, with inspiration, with things that build you up. An unbreakable will is forged in an environment of purpose, not distraction. Ultimately, what separates the strong from the weak is their mindset towards failure. The weak see failure as a final verdict, a sign to quit. The strong see it as feedback, as data. They don't get emotional about it, they get analytical. They ask, what can I learn from this? And how can I do better next time? They understand that every stumble is just part of the climb. This resilience, this ability to get knocked down 10 times and get up 11, is what truly scares people who give up at the first sign of trouble. They can't comprehend that level of persistence. So, here's your call to action. Start today. Pick one thing you've been putting off because it's hard, and do it. Win that small battle. That's your first step. Build on it tomorrow, and the day after. Forge your discipline, embrace discomfort, and reframe your view of failure. It's time to stop wishing for an easier life and start building a stronger mind. A mind so strong, it changes everything. Thanks for watching, and if this message resonated with you, hit that subscribe button and join the journey.